I am a smart teacher in Nigeria, and this is a school I was posted to. So, on this day was the day the local government chairman came into the school premises with his entourage. His reason for coming to the school that day was to hand over the school to the UBEC chairman, the local government UBEC chairman. I'm sure you may be wondering why he's handing it over to the UBEC chairman or to the UBEC board. Well, the school was dilapidated. The roof, the classrooms, everywhere was so bad. So this local government chairman came in one day and walked through the school with his entourage as well. So they walked around, checked everywhere, came into the computer room and saw that things were not actually in order. So it was that day he told the HM, that is the headmistress, that he has it in mind to renovate the school, and that was it. Just a matter of few weeks, just let me say a week, they started work already. That week he came, the contractor came, they brought in those that were going to do one thing or the other, and that was it. So here is the paramount ruler of the community where the school I was posted to is located. So he was trying to address the local government chairman, thanking him for this innovation, for coming to renovate the school and all that. He didn't stop there. He also mentioned that there were other things that the community are lacking, like transformers, so that they can have steady light and what have you. He spoke for a long time. Standing beside him is his second in command. You know what he said that day, as he was just making his comment, some persons were asking if the man standing beside him is his twin brother, and that was when we got to understand that no, they are not even related by blood. The reason the man is standing beside him is because he's his second in command. But if you look at them closely, you will see that they look very much alike. They are like twins. They are like twins. If nobody tells you and you see them walking on the street, you would think that they are actually blood related. But what they are doing here is what is just for community purpose. They are paramount rulers of this community where I was posted to. So he spoke at a particular length before other persons also came in to speak. Of course, you can see how beautiful the school is now looking. The painting is new and all of that. Why? Because of the renovation that took place in the school. We are very excited that this happened in this school. The reason was because the very first day we came to school this second term, we saw that the solar panel was already clean. So since we saw that the solar panel was clean, we were happy that okay, as a result of this, we the smart teachers, we start working in our computer room. Well, as this happened, we were told that he just came in to hand it over to SUBEB, that is the state UBEC, for them to know that for him to know that he has already finished the job. Okay, so right here is the local government chairman, and here is the SUBEB, the representative of the SUBEB, that will come up later to say something. But if you're here and you're wondering who are these smart teachers, in Nigeria, the federal government recruited 20 teachers in each state. Each state has 20 of us called smart teachers who were trained and told and posted to different public primary schools. And what is our duty? Our duty is to make sure that those children in public schools also have access to computer, has access to digital literacy. You know that as children who are in private schools have access to internet, to their laptops, to their systems and all of that, that even those who are in public schools should be able to access same. So that is why we were posted to schools that have computer. Like this my school here has a computer. In fact, they have a lot of computers, but the problem is how to power it. There's always no electricity, which is popularly known as NEPA. We don't always have it. So what was helping us to power the computers then was the solar system that the former governor, you know, erected in each of the schools, which we are believing that this local government chairman will do something about it. What happened to the solar? The battery got burnt. So right now we cannot access it. You cannot even charge anything. There is nothing you can do in the computer room again with the solar because the battery needs to be replaced. Well, since he has gotten to this point, we are believing that maybe the remaining projects left would be to do what? Would be to buy the battery for us. Let's just be hopeful. There is nothing God cannot do. After all, he has tried. See what I'm saying? Are you seeing how they look? They look very identical. They look very, very identical. Well, that day was a very memorable day for us. I was so happy, although initially I didn't want to come out. The reason you're seeing this is because one of the teachers stood up and said, how can this kind of thing be happening and nobody is videoing, nobody is taking shots? So that was when they now called me to do it. That's the reason you cannot see my face, because I am the one that videoed what you're watching. Okay, it was a very memorable day for this my PPA. It was a very memorable day, very memorable, and I'm very happy that I was there to witness it. So this is the UBEC chairman trying to say something about it. I think I should allow you hear what he has to say. Okay, let me just allow you to listen to what he has to say.
So, my respected traditional rulers, professors, and members of the academic community here in Chuba, all other political office holders, members of the Renew Hope in Obiabo, I sincerely want to thank God so much for what.
So who you're seeing right now is a local government chairman trying to make his speech, a wonderful speech which he made, and I know that you are eager to hear from him. Of course, I will allow you to listen to him, but make sure you watch to the end, okay? And also tell me what you want me to post next. Thank you for staying with me. Remain blessed.
Let me also recognize Professor Achiwebu, Dr. Chris Abu, and Lady AJ, and Pedro Chinda. I came here with my children, and I also want to recognize them. They are all right. And God, we're having these Juba daughters. Councilor representing the good people of I salute you. Local government area PDP. You're welcome, ma. Our own dear principal, headmistress of the school, you are highly recognized. Are pupils of, we used to call it Community Primary School Juba. Right, the State Primary School Juba. But the uniform has not changed. The uniform has remained the same. Let me also salute the